Hello, my good friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Are Social Security recipients going to receive a fourth stimulus check worth up to $1,400 next month? As President Biden's approval ratings continue to drop, Democratic lawmakers are pushing for a fourth round of stimulus payments to gain more support from the American people. Remember, friends, that I'm here every day to bring you up to date on all of the breaking news in Congress. I am committed to being your daily advocate throughout this entire crisis. So, friends, please make sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, if you're interested in entering this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, do stay tuned until the end of this video.
Higher wages, too many families are struggling to keep up with their bills. Inflation is robbing them of gains they thought otherwise they would be able to feel. I get it. That's why my top priority is getting prices under control. Look, our economy roared back faster than almost anyone predicted, but the pandemic meant that businesses had a hard time hiring enough people because of the pandemic to keep up production in their factories. So you didn't have people making those beams that went into buildings because they were out. The factory was closed. The panic also disrupted the global supply chain. Factories close. When that happens, it takes longer to make goods and get them to the warehouses, to the stores, and prices go up. Look at cars last year. 1/3 of all the inflation was because of automobile sales. There weren't enough semiconductors to make all the cars that people wanted to buy. And guess what? Prices of automobiles went way up.
So, my friends, here's some great news for seniors. Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries, millions of Americans could receive a huge cash boost today with new Social Security payments. Supplemental Security income payments are set to be sent out today, meaning that recipients have just hours to wait before the checks should be on the way. The average SSI payment has gone up from $587 to $621. Americans may receive more if they live in a state that supplements their federal check. Amounts do vary by state, but for example, New York offers an extra $8,700 check. SSI recipients include adults and children with a disability who have income and resources below specific financial limits. Payments are also made to individuals age 65 and older without disabilities who meet the financial qualifications. Social Security benefits currently support 70 million Americans, whether they are elderly or disabled. Nearly 9 out of 10 individuals age 65 and older receive these benefits, and they make up around 33% of the income of the elderly. So now, my friends, Senate Democrat Elizabeth Warren has announced that she wants to raise Social Security benefits by $200 per month for roughly 64 million recipients, doing so by raising taxes on the top 2% of earners in our country. Elizabeth Warren has revealed her plan that would pull some 4.9 million seniors out of poverty and extend the solvency of the underfunded Social Security Trust Fund by 19 years. According to Senator Warren, the proposal would lead to a nearly 25% increase in benefits for the bottom half of earners and a less than 5% increase for people in the top 10% of the income distribution in the U.S. Senator Warren told reporters, "We need to get our priorities straight. We should be increasing Social Security benefits and asking the richest Americans to contribute their fair share to the program." Senator Elizabeth Warren has also laid out a series of proposals, including one to end college debt and create universal child care by taxing the mega wealthy through a $2.75 trillion tax on American households earning more than $50 million annually. Now, a new study released by the Center on Poverty and Social Policy at Columbia University, almost 4 million American children fell into poverty after the expanded child tax credit was temporarily paused. The lapse of monthly child tax credit payments in January pushed 3.7 million children below the poverty line. And according to federal data, the child poverty rate rose from 12.1% in December to 17% in January, which is an increase of 41%. Researchers have stated, while in place, the monthly child tax credit payments buffered family finances amidst the continuing crisis, increased families' abilities to meet their basic needs, reduced child poverty and food insufficiency. The $1.9 trillion stimulus bill that was signed by President Biden in March of 2021 increased the amount of money that parents receive through the child tax credit to $250 per child between the ages of 6 and 17, and $300 for each child younger than 6. The bill also removed work requirements for the child tax credit and allowed parents to collect half of their total annual credit through a series of monthly payments, instead of a one-off tax reduction from July to December of 2021. Friends, the keyword for this video is Morocco. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. More than 36 million U.S. households, covering 61 million children, received the expanded child tax credit payments from July through December of last year. President Biden and Democrats are still pushing to extend the expanded credit, but Senate Democrat Joe Manchin has shared with many reporters why he is opposed to the enhanced credit. Joe Manchin said he would be open to renewing the expanded child tax credit with much lower limits and reimposed work requirements. These are two major issues for many other Democratic lawmakers. The senator has also expressed concerns about Congress stoking inflation even higher through more stimulus. But again, progressive lawmakers have argued that the expanded child tax credit is essential to helping struggling families handle higher prices. Well, my good friends, you've come to the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.